It's your boy Damien Dupee, your number one off-market land specialist, hyper-focused on the infill lots. Today I got some good news you can use. Today I will be blessing your socks off with a brand new ebook, fresh off the press, because I want people to get the frameworks. I want people to get the why behind why you want to do what you want to do. So if you could be so kind, go to the description. The link will be in the download, and you don't want to miss this epic wild content. Also, yours truly is hosting a course. Yours truly is coming out with a course, ladies and gentlemen, $9.97 for the first 100 people. If you want to join the waiting list, check the link out in the description. If you do not get on the waiting list, ladies and gentlemen, it's all good. Listen, I got plenty more where they came from, okay? So I want you to be in the know on what to do when it comes to vacant land, finding deals, selling deals, building relationships with buyers. I mean, my course is action-packed, okay? Those who've been following me for a while, you know that I'm a go-giver. I love giving. I love blessing. I love looking out for the cookout. You hear me? I created this course to look out for the cookout. I want people to win. I want people to not only win, but I want you to be free indeed, okay? I want you to be free. So, listen, if you're local to the Charlotte market and you want to come and holler at your boy, January 28th, 7 to 9 p.m., link in the description. You can come meet me face-to-face where I'm going to be talking about how to make $1 out of 15 cents. Closing. It is about to be a new year, ladies and gentlemen. I want everyone in this community to be blessed, not only in mind, but in finances, okay? Listen, you have to sacrifice. You have to put in the work that it takes to be free indeed. It does take work, okay? But you should be working more from a rest than from a striving. Let me break that down to you. When you structure your business in such a way, the way that I have it structured, you will not have to be striving for opportunities. You will be finding opportunities galore, and you will get to choose which deals you want to do, okay? So I really appreciate y'all. I want to say thank you. I hit 1,000 subscribers in a year. So grateful for that. Thank you for you, for everyone who has made that possible. The JV portal is still wide open. I do apologize for those who have been sending me deals. I've been traveling with my family. I will get back to those opportunities ASAP. But I do thank you for your patience, for your grace, for your kindness. And last but not least, if you are looking to get in the game, listen, vacant land is the way to go, okay? No tenants, no termites, no toilets, okay? And majority of the time, there's no payoff, okay? There's no payoff that's needed. So listen, get in when you fit in. Holla at your boy. Appreciate you. Happy New Year.